Hi guys, I'm Sheni. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Lynn Ngomane. So guys, today we are going to talk about how you can make money selling used smartphones or brand new smartphones. So guys, if you are new, you are welcome to the channel, and please do hit that subscribe button and that notification button so you'll be notified each and every time whenever I post a video, because I'm always talking about business ideas that you can start in South Africa and also ways on how you can make money in South Africa. So today I've got a business idea. So guys, let's jump to it. So guys, there's a website that is called gorillaphones.co.za. So guys, please do check it out. They sell nice smartphones there. They are in good condition, and then they are I've seen the reviews. They are top notch. They've got good reviews when it comes to that. So they are based in Gauteng, in Sandton, but when you go to their website, you will actually see that they've got branches around South Africa. So just go and check them out. They've got iPhones, they've got Samsung, they've got Hawaii as well. So if you want to buy yourself a nice expensive smartphone but you cannot afford to buy a brand new one, you can check these guys out, because they've got these nice smartphones which are second hand but in reasonable price, and they are in good condition, guys. What I like about them is that they come with a charger, they come with a 6 months warranty. They also unlocked, because there's rumors whereby you cannot use an iPhone if it's locked and whatsoever, but then you don't have to worry when you buy an iPhone from these guys, because they are unlocked. So guys, as I said, if you want to buy an iPhone for yourself, just go there and buy it. They can ship it for you like around South Africa. It takes 2 to 3 working days, so it is not a long time to wait if you are actually buying something. So guys, let's check them out. But here's an idea. Let's say you buy these phones and start to sell them. You can make money out of that, because a lot of South Africans, they love expensive smartphones. The problem is they cannot afford them. So if you can become a solution to that by buying these second-hand smartphones and start selling them at a reasonable price, you can start making money out of that. So as I was browsing through their website, I've seen that there's iPhone 7 which goes for 3,800 rands. So if you can buy this iPhone and sell it maybe for 4,800 rands, it will depend. You can even sell it for 4,300. It will depend on how much profit you want. So you can make that extra money when you sell that iPhone. There's also iPhone 8 which goes for 4,499 rands. So if you buy it and sell it for 5,000 or 5,499, it, as I said, it is up to you on how much profit you are looking to get out of the phone. So guys, you can buy these iPhones and start to sell them to make money. I've seen they also have Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, which was going for 13,200. I'm just not sure. And then they had Samsung Galaxy Note 20, which goes for 9,000, somewhere there. So as you can see, because I'm sure their retail price is around 17,000 or 20,000, somewhere there. Yeah, so you can actually buy a nice smartphone at a reasonable price which is in good condition, and as I said, guys, they come with a warranty. That is a good thing. So if it gives you problems, you are able to return it to them within that 6 months warranty. So guys, please check it out. I'm sure you can find something for yourself, or you can start to sell these smartphones, and you can market them in your social media. It can be for like in your colleagues, or I mean to your colleagues and your friends and family. So please, let's check it out and start to make money. If you don't want to make money, you can just buy it for yourself and start using a nice iPhone that you have bought at a a reasonable price or at a cheaper price. So guys, stay tuned. I'm going to bring more business ideas or ways on how you can make money in South Africa. For now, have a wonderful day. Goodbye.